In this video, you'll learn how to build applications using Emergent AI. This guide will take you through each step, ensuring you understand the process from start to finish. Begin by navigating to the Emergent AI homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Emergent AI. Once the page loads, you should see a visually engaging interface that emphasizes AI-powered app development. Next, locate the section labeled Where Ideas Become Reality. This section will typically be prominent on the homepage, making it easy to find. Click on this section to proceed to the next step in the app building process. After that, look for the option that states Build fully functional apps and websites through simple conversations. Selecting this option will guide you to the area where you can start creating your application. Continue by clicking on Full Stack App. This choice indicates that you will be creating a comprehensive application, which includes both front-end and back-end functionalities. You should see a new screen that outlines the features available for full stack development. Now, type the command Make a Login screen into the provided text box. This command will instruct the AI to create a basic login interface for your application. Make sure to enter it accurately to avoid errors. Once you have entered the command, choose an AI from the options presented. This selection is crucial as it determines the capabilities and features that will be integrated into your. Click on Claude 4.5 Summit as your chosen AI. This selection should be highlighted or marked in some way to indicate that it is available for use. After selecting it, you will move to the next step. Proceed by clicking on Enter. This action will submit your command and begin the process of generating your application based on the instructions provided. Next, navigate to the section labeled Setting Up Safe Environment. This step is essential for ensuring that your app is developed in a secure setting, which is vital for protecting your data and user privacy. You should expect this setup to take approximately 1 to 2 minutes. During this time, be patient as the system prepares the necessary environment for your app development. After the initial setup, a message should appear stating Initializing Cloud Environment. This confirmation indicates that the system is beginning to configure the resources needed for your application. Following this, another message will display stating Provisioning Resources. This step is crucial as it prepares the underlying infrastructure that your application will rely on. Next, look for a message that says Configuring Environment. This indicates that the system is adjusting settings to optimize the application for your requirements. You will then see a message stating Starting the Agent. This confirms that the AI is preparing to assist you in building your application. Once the agent is ready, click on Auto Answer. This option allows the AI to automatically respond to your requests, streamlining the app building process. The AI will now begin building the app as requested. This process may take 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the complexity of your request and the current system load. After the AI has finished constructing your application, click on Preview App. This option will allow you to view the finished product and assess its functionality before finalizing any decisions.